Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mohammad Ammar and I'm a software engineer and have been working in tech for so long. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create this beautiful web page using HTML only. Yes, you have heard it right. We are not going to use any CSS in this project. We are going to create this beautiful web page using HTML only. So if it is exciting you, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any updates. With that being said, let's get into the coding. So as you can see right now, I've created a directory named as HTML site, and inside this directory I have created a folder named as images, and inside this folder I have put an image that we are going to use inside our project as a background. So you can create your directory in such a manner also if you like, otherwise it's totally your choice. So I will simply come into my main directory, which is HTML site, and I will create a file named as index.html. Okay, and afterwards here is a quick tip for you. If you are not familiar with it, inside VS Code, if you write this exclamatory mark and press enter, VS Code will write all the boilerplate code of HTML5 for you. So I think it's a good trick. So if you want to use, you can obviously use in your next project. So here I am going to name my website as Ammar's Restaurant, and afterwards let me show it to you how it is looking in browser. Okay, so for that specific reason you can simply open this index.html by using this manner. Like for instance, you can go over there, you can get this file, and you can simply open this file like this manner. Okay, but if you want to increase your productivity, you can simply install this extension named as live server, and afterwards you will get this little go live button just at the bottom of your VS Code. You just have to press it, and afterwards it will open your file inside your browser. So as you can see, my file has opened over there, but we have gotten nothing. We have gotten a blank white screen over there. The reason is that we haven't added anything inside our body. So let's go over there and let me give it a background, and I have used an image which I have told you earlier, this one. Let me show it to you now. How is it looking in your browser? So here we go. Yes, we have gotten this beautiful background easily. Now we need a logo and some links over there. So for that reason, let me create a div over there, and inside that div let me create an h3 tag, and inside this h3 tag let me use this font face. It's the name of font that I'm going to use, Gatto, and I am going to give the font size of 6, and let me write over there logo. Okay, let me show it to you. How is it looking in browser? So here we are. Yeah, so here we have gotten our beautiful logo. Okay, so afterwards we also need some anchor tags over there. So I am going to create another font, and I am going to use face of Lato again, and afterwards I am going to give it a size of 4, and inside this I will create anchor tag. Okay, so I will just create a font face over there, because when we are using pure HTML we cannot give direct color to anchor tag. So in order to add a color inside your anchor tag, you have to use this font tag. Okay, so we have already added the face over there, so we will add a color over there, a white color I think I have used. So let's go with it and give it home. Okay, So we have created our first attribute over there. Let me show it to you. Not attribute, we have created our first link over there, first anchor tag over there. So here we go. Yeah, I think you are enjoying this video, and you must be amazed at how simple it is to create a web page using HTML only. So if you have liked it, then not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let me create few more anchor tags. So I will just come over there, I will just copy and paste them. I think 4 times are good. Let me give about us, services, not services, as we are building a restaurant web page. So we can add a menu. Our menu would be good, our menu, and then contact us. Okay, got it. Now let me see how they are looking in our browser. So here we go. They are pretty much looking good now, but in order to make them good like a proper website, we have to add some spacing over there. So here is a quick trick for you. You just have to come over there and you just have to add this attribute align center. Now see what has happened. Let it refresh. Just a moment. So yeah, we have gotten this at the center. Now we have to add a space between logo and the anchor tags. For that specific reason, we will use this NBSP and semicolon. Basically, it is a code that is used to put space. Okay, that is used to put space between these two font faces. Okay, so let me show. You must have noticed a little bit space over there. Okay, so we have to add much space over there. So I will just, I think I will add this over there. Let's see if something has changed. So yeah, we have started to get some space, but we need a lot more space over there. So for that specific reason, I will copy this line and I will paste it and see the results, if they are as per my expectations or not. So let me check. So yeah, we have gotten what we are looking for. But now there is another issue. We also need a space between these anchor tags. So for that specific reason, I will simply come over there, and after each anchor tag, I will again add this code to add space. Okay. Let me add at the end of these three, and I think I have to put it another time. So let me see if things has changed now and if they're looking good or not. So yeah, they are looking good, but we must have to give a white color to the logo also, and we have to change this logo with our restaurant's name. So let me name it Amar's Restaurant, and we can give it a color white. So it will look absolutely good now. Oh my goodness, we have to reduce some space over there. I think these three will do the job. So yeah, things are pretty much good now. Now it's time to create our main heading, this one, and these two buttons. Okay, so for that reason I will just come out of this h3 tag and I will create an h5 tag. I will put the same property of align center over there, and inside this h5 tag I will create a font tag and I will use the same letter over there, and afterwards in regarding size I will put around 10. I think it will go good. So I will add a tagline, not tagline, a headline over there. You can add whatever you want. Are you feeling hungry? And after this I will create another font and I will give it a face of Lotto. By face I mean the font name, okay? And inside this I will create two buttons. I will name this button as, what we can call it, order now, and we can add another, check our menu. So let me see what we have gotten so far. So this one is the project on which we are working. So here we go. So we have to put it outside of this h5 tag. We can create another tag and we can put it over there. Let me check. So yeah, it is looking good now. Now we have to center these buttons also. So for that reason, you already know, we will add this align center property, and afterwards things must have changed for us, and yes, they are changed. It is looking pretty much good now. Now we have to give it a color of white, and afterwards we have to add some space between our menu and our this main tagline and buttons. Okay, so for that reason we will obviously come here to give the color of white, and in order to add some space between this and this h3 tag, we will simply use br tag, line break tag of HTML. We can copy it and paste it multiple times as per our need. So let me check. Let me add it few more times and let me check. So things are pretty much good for us now. I hope that you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any updates. Before leaving, if you want me to create a complete website using HTML only without any CSS, you can just comment below and I will come up with that specific video also. So with that being said, let me get out of this video now. See you in the next video.